In this video, I'll show you how to clear your balances from the management accounts interface. So we start on the settings page and then select the analytics option, select your data option. For all the data options, there's the balances section. The last option is clear balances. So we've added this feature just for basically for comfort for users, where because management accounts information is confidential, and although we have the highest security standards in terms of how we protect our users' data, you will be able to go and clear all your balances from your management accounts with basically the click of two buttons, not one button. So that just removes all your balances. You can download your latest balances and save that file locally as a backup, and it's quite easy to just upload it again when you want to compile your management accounts, and use this clear balances feature after compiling your management accounts to not leave any confidential information saved in our interface. So that's what's the purpose of this feature. It's really easy. You just select clear balances and click the reset button. There's just one additional step to confirm, because it's a quite serious operation in that you're going to basically clear all your uploaded balances from your management accounts, and your management accounts will reflect zero balances. So if you confirm that, then it will just give you a status update to say that it was successful and your management account balances have been cleared successfully.